Hi everyone! Welcome back to another logo animation tutorial. In this video, I will show you how I animated this logo with 3 simple steps. If you like this kind of tutorial videos, please feel free to explore my channel and subscribe for more content like this. So let's get started. I use the brand's name as an inspiration for this specific animation. Żabka means little frog in Polish, so I looked into jumping frog illustrations online. We will look into frame-by-frame animation later in this video, so let's move into text animation first. First, letters have to disappear to make a space for our frog, and then they will reappear. I used position and opacity properties to make the letters disappear. I applied the same technique for each letter, so I'd like to show you how I did it. Put a keyframe for the starting position. Then move the time indicator to the middle and move the letter up to set an overshoot animation. Put the last keyframe and move it down. After that, set 2 opacity keyframes from 100 to 0. Adjust the graph editor similar to this one. To make the letter reappear, I animated each letter individually. Pre-compose the letters individually and create an animation for them. This will allow you to adjust the animated letter itself. I used position keyframes from up to down for this dot. You can apply the same position keyframes for pre-composed letters. Let me show the reappearing process. Create a rectangle, press Y, and move the anchor point to the left side. Then press S for scale properties and put a keyframe for an ending position. After that, adjust the size of it with your mouse until it disappears. Ease the keyframes by pressing F9 and adjust the graph editor like this one. Choose the track matte for the animated rectangle and let's see what we have got here. This is a cool technique that will allow you to create animation with different shapes. For example, create a circle and fix the anchor point. Then set 2 scale keyframes from 0 to 100. Ease the keyframes and edit the graph editor. Then choose the track matte for the letter layer. Here is how it looks. Let's move to the frog jumping animation. I downloaded this illustration from Freepik and picked the necessary poses for this animation. For a comfortable workflow, separate the body parts of a frog in Adobe Illustrator. After that, it will be easier to animate each of them frame by frame in After Effects. I will include the necessary files in the description of this video, so feel free to download and experiment. Create shapes out of layers in After Effects, because we will animate a path of each shape. Search for a path and put the keyframe for our first frame. Then move the timeline indicator further to set our second frame. Put the reference photo in composition for a comfortable workflow. Press G for the pen tool and make sure you click on the path property. Then simply move the shape to match the reference photo. After that, make sure you deselected the path property and start adjusting the shape. I use the same technique for other body parts of our little frog. This technique gives you plenty of creative freedom for your other projects. You can even create references from any video you want. I made a video on this topic, so feel free to check it on my channel. Please hit the like button and drop a comment if you liked the tutorial. I will see you in the next one.